How to create Smart Shutdown button in Windows. Right click on mouse, then click New and select Shortcut. Then type this text. Here you can give the name as per your choice. Click Finish. Then right click Shortcut. Then select Properties. Choose Shortcut tab. Then click Change icon. Click OK. Then choose any icon. Click OK. Click Apply and OK. Now if you double click on the shortcut and drag it downwards, the computer will shut down. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.